Hey y'all, welcome back to Life with Carion'Tae. Today we're gonna be making some ground chicken, bell peppers, broccoli, and some brown rice. I already started cutting my vegetables. These were the vegetables left over from our last meal. We have froze them. I defrosted them earlier, and I was just gonna be adding them to our quick, simple, and easy meal, which we're gonna be using for this week's meal prep. Okay, so we're done cutting up our vegetables. I just mixed up the onions and the bell peppers together. So now we're about to pull in our skillet that I have on the stove that's getting hot for us. And I'm also going to add in the ground chicken to let that cook down as well. After I'm done with that, I'm going to add in my broccoli. We're going to mix it up together and put it over our brown rice. Throughout the video, I will be showing you the seasoning as well. So just look at the clips to see what I'm using to season my meat with. Okay, so I have my bell peppers and my onions sauteing in the bottom of my pan. So now you're about to go ahead and add the ground chicken. I'm going to show you the ground chicken before I open the package. And then we're going to let that brown down too. So this is the ground chicken that I got. It was from Walmart. And I'm about to go ahead and add it in my pan. Now I did go back in and add some more red crushed peppers because I love spicy food. And I wanted to give it more taste since I don't have my Creole seasoning today. So we're just gonna add a little bit more of the red crushed peppers and then the minced onions as well. So you don't have to go back and double season like I did, but you can do it to your liking. This smells amazing. It's starting to look good. And then the second we're gonna add with broccoli. This ground chicken had 20 grams of protein, so that's real good. This is the bag of broccoli that we're going to be adding up in here today. I love a quick one pan meal. You don't have to use all those dishes, and it's very easy to do. I also have my brown rice already cooking. in my rice cooker, so it definitely be done by the time we're in cooking. Just gonna let this broccoli cook down with the ground chicken, the bell peppers, and the onions to give that extra flavor to it. And this is gonna be a quick one pan meal. Okay, y'all. So after I added the broccoli, I did go in with a little bit more season. I added some paprika and some more basil leaves. So it's looking so good, so much better. Y'all know I love my paprika. Love it so much. It's almost done cooking down. And then we're just gonna add in our bowl with our rice. And we're gonna eat this nice, easy, delicious, fast meal. Made this in less than 15 minutes. It's very easy, convenient, and then very budget friendly. Okay, y'all, so we are done. This is how it looks. Yours should look similar to it if you cook it the same way that I cooked it. So now we about to fix our food. I got this cutest bowl from Dollar Tree. Look how cute it is. And I already added 1 cup of brown rice inside this bowl. So now we're about to just add some broccoli, peppers, ground chicken, and put it on top of our rice. So this is how our food looks at the end. Finished result. This how it looks. It looks so good. I know you're gonna enjoy it. So if you try my recipe, make sure you leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.